Hi friends, this is Aditi Anwesha. Today I am going to show you the recipe of this soft chocolate cake. So let's get started. Ingredients needed for this cake are 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, half cup of oil, half cup of milk, half cup of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. For the icing, we need 3/4 cup of whipping cream, 3 teaspoons of powdered sugar, a milk mixture which contains 3 teaspoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of condensed milk, 60 grams of grated dark chocolate, oil and flour to dust the baking tin. Take a white bowl with the condensed milk in it, add the oil, powdered sugar, and vanilla essence and mix to combine. Sieve the flour, baking powder and baking soda. After sieving all the ingredients, add a bit of milk and stir to combine. Sieve the cocoa powder. After sieving the cocoa, add the milk and combine it a bit. After combining, beat this mixture for around 10 to 15 minutes. Grease the pan with some oil. After greasing the pan, dust it with some flour. After dusting the pan, pour in the batter. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and switch off the heat and leave it for another 30 minutes so that it cooks the most soft it can. Beat the cream for 2 to 3 minutes until it's smooth. Then add the powdered sugar and beat it for like 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and the cream has whipped perfectly. You can see the soft peaks. So it's the time to garnish the cake. The cake is ready and it has cooled down. I have removed the edges and the top to make the layer smooth. Now apply the milk mixture over this cake to make sure that it's moist enough. The cake has absorbed the sugar and milk syrup. Now apply the cream in an even layer. After applying the cream, let it set in the refrigerator for a few minutes, then make the surface smooth. After the cake cools for around 10 minutes, level it with a knife or spatula. Then add the chocolate shavings. Serve the cake cold. If you like my video, click on the like button, comment, share and subscribe my channel.